Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect any Bluetooth device, like headphones, speakers, keyboards, or even your phone to your Windows PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth. First, we need to make sure Bluetooth is turned on. 1. Click the Start menu, Settings. 2. Go to Devices, Bluetooth and Devices on Windows 11, or Devices, Bluetooth and Other Devices on Windows 10. 3. Turn the Bluetooth toggle switch on. Step 2. Put device in pairing mode. Next, put your Bluetooth device into pairing mode. For headphones or speakers, usually you press and hold the power or Bluetooth button until a blinking light appears. For phones, just go into your Bluetooth settings and make your device discoverable. Step 3. Pairing the device. Now, on your PC, 1. In the Bluetooth settings, click Add Device. 2. Select Bluetooth. 3. Wait a few seconds. Your device should appear on the list. 4. Click it and Windows will connect. Once connected, you'll see it under the list of paired devices. Quick tip: sound settings. If you're connecting headphones or speakers but still not hearing sound, click the speaker icon on the taskbar and make sure your Bluetooth device is selected as the output. And that's it. Now you know how to connect any Bluetooth device to your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and share this with someone who struggles to connect their devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.